Hi everybody, I am here at the central station of the S-Bahn train from Munich Airport to Munich city centre. I suppose it's in the city centre, I'm not so sure, but I want to just do a walk around for you to show you what you're going to walk into when you get off the train. Okay, well, let me go and show you what, how is it pronounced? Hauptbahnhof? I'm not sure how to pronounce that, I wish I knew. In any case, but it is the central train station. Okay, well, let me go and show it to you. Let's go. They don't seem to have escalators going up on the side, so I'll just take the stairs. It's good exercise. I think I'm going to get my fair share of exercise walking the Camino, but in any case, it's hustling and bustling with people, and everything that you can think of you can find here. So many places to grab a quick bite. I'll just walk you through it. It's fairly large and multiple exits in different directions, meaning it's best if you just Google where you should go and follow Google Maps. Oh, this is actually where I bought food the other day. It's really priced right. You get exits, so this will take you to some part of the city, and then when you get to a different exit will take you somewhere else. Like for example, that's going in a different direction again. Oh look, sunflowers! Nice. ATMs. This is where you can buy your tickets. Sure how the buses or anything works, so I can't advise you on that, but just to show you now, if I click here, what does it say? Oh wait, I'm offline. I'm back online. So here, you know, I can see how I need to walk to get there. So when you're right inside, you sort of like, you just have to get out and then just find your way. So I'm heading in that direction. So if I can just find any one of the exits leading outside, then I can follow this to get to my destination. Because it's time for coffee and lunch. And there's an exit. hello Munich. Okay, it's a rainy day in Munich, but I still love it. And it is as simple as that to get here. So let me quickly get to the backpackers. I need coffee, I need lunch. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Until next time, bye.